It's a nice sunny morning. Bit of ice on my boardwalk though. I need to make sure I don't fall on my you-know-what.
Yeah, I don't want that to happen.
Well, you hurry on back.
Yeah, because your boy's in there crying for you.
I know. I'm working to feed and care and do what I'm supposed to do as quick as I can do it, which is never really quite quick enough when you're a mom. Hey, Gray. Just the paper.
Just the paper. I'm sorry. Bummer. But I got you Legos last night.
Yes, you did. Just not the pack I need first.
Understand.
They don't come in the order, you know, needed.
Needed, that's right.
Good morning. Hi. How did you survive your deluxe accommodations last night, huh? Did you survive them okay? There you go. You can hop on down. Go out to get the girls. The girls are eating outside. Let me help you get to the door. Out the door. Here you go. You don't have to go through the hole that's almost too small for you. I'll be right there. I am not pleased Stripe is not here this morning. I'm sure he'll be by later. But this is... I called for him too and he didn't come a-running, which he usually does. Hopefully he'll be here in a while. I don't need anything else to worry about. Come on, buddy, let's go. Morning walk time. He gave me chase up the hill. Got out of that crate and is like, yeah, I don't know if I'm playing nice today or not, Mom. You drinking some water? Since my escapade through the yard with Tux this morning, I've just been taking it easy. Midnight, aka Big Boy, he's been lying beside me on the love seat a good bit. It's turned out to be a really pretty day out there. I'm getting ready to drive Johnny to his eye doctor's appointment. Dawn and Nighttime, the little tiny black cat, they have it made in here because it is so nice and warm and toasty. Well, unless Dawn's trying to stay awake, but he seems pretty alert right now.
Yeah.
You get an asynchronous school work day, which basically means he's got homework, but he doesn't have to be on Google Meet at a certain time. That was one of the things the legislature passed, and I've got the directions into the eye doctor. I was going to say you kind of get a down day, but then you got a doctor's appointment. But we're just going for a checkup. It's up to Cary, 16 miles, 34 minutes, and we are on time for his 2:30 appointment. Yep, 55, clear as can be out there. Beautiful, sunny afternoon drive north towards Cary. It's just really pretty out there. And we're on Sunset Lake / Holly Springs Road, and it's always very scenic over here. We're basically going to very close to Whole Foods Cary, but not quite. It's sort of around the corner a ways. Instead of turning left onto Kildare Farm Road to go up into Cary, we're staying on Holly Springs Road. And I told Johnny to be prepared for the huge changes over here that he hadn't seen because he hasn't been this way with me lately. And he was like pretty disappointed, amazed. You know, shocked, I guess is the right word. And it's not just over there, it's all over here too. I guess maybe they're gonna make this 4 lanes while they're at it. I don't know. Progress. This was the oddest parking ever, but we finally figured it out and found a safe spot for Ruby. When you come in by the Harris Teeter, you just can't turn where you want to turn, and there's a circle, and it's odd. There's my sunglass kid. He's ready for the dilation to wear off because he's excited about going home to do more homework. What they say about let sleeping dogs lay. Everybody's doing good. I was relieved to come home and find Tux Sleeping, not causing trouble, not in a fight, not hurt. Stripe and Morris are up the hill eating. I was up there a few minutes ago and saw them. Also good to be able to do that while Tux is asleep. I've got 3 cream cheese filled bacon wrapped chicken breasts going in the oven. First time I tried to use already cooked bacon, doesn't work as good. Half cooked bacon wraps, it's better. With Don so busy working, we haven't been watching very many YouTube videos, but you know, if we're going to find time to watch anyone, it's going to be Kyle. And this is where we met up with him in Rocky Mount. There I am, sort of off to the side. See? Sort of. There we are.